Look, so if you're busy and you're not building anything, and then this is for you, okay? I'm done juggling 10 different ideas. I'm gonna pick one thing and I'm gonna focus on that, and I'm gonna turn that into a flywheel that I can scale, right? So the problem that most creators and entrepreneurs, including me, have is we spread our energy and our focus across too many different lanes, and we make progress and then we reset to zero, and that kills our momentum. So here's the move. You pick one lane, and for me, it's gonna be 3D printing. So I'm gonna run through the same 4 steps every week. It's gonna be a design, do the content, do the product, and get it to the clients. And that's gonna be my flywheel. So step 1 is gonna be the design. So I'm gonna design or refine one useful print, not 10. So just one. I'm gonna solve a problem: organization, mounts, adapters, daily carry. I'm going on a camping trip, so I'm sure I'm gonna come up with something that's gonna happen there at the campsite that I can use either for the camper or for something going on there. Besides the point, I'm gonna find something that I can use daily. Step 2 is gonna be the content. I document the process quickly. I make a 60, 90-minute short, one talking head long form like this, and it shows the why. Not everything is just a simple download and a slice or click. So step 3 is going to be the product. So if people want it, I'm going to sell the STL and the physical print. So it's the same asset. It's just 2 revenue paths, right? So I can list it on my site and I can list it on Etsy, and I can make revenue from both. All right, step 4 is going to be the clients. So these videos hopefully will attract the people who want custom versions of things, businesses, creators, shops. There's higher ticket items that are going to be more valuable to me to create. And then we're going to talk about compounding. All right, so compounding. So next week, I'm just going to repeat the exact same loop. Small improvements stack. After 4 cycles, I'm going to have a mini catalog, proof from analytics, and inbound leads without having to start over. Look, if you're stuck in 10 lanes like I was, pick one and build your flywheel for the week. If you want mine, comment flywheel down below. I'll send you my checklist. And if you need a custom print or if you want a license, hit me up. We can work together and we can design something cool. If you know of a useful print that I can create that you don't have, that the masses would use, get up with me. We'll figure it out. Moral of the story is stop restarting and start compounding.